Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the home mentoring session of accountancy. Myself, CASK Khanna from the SD Vidya School, Ambala, Kent. Dear students, today we will continue our first topic of partnership, that is fundamentals of partnership. In this lesson, we had already studied about the basics of the partnership and also learned how to calculate interest on capital in case when capitals are fixed and when capitals are fluctuating. We had also learned how to calculate interest on drawings in case when the drawings are made on some different dates or irregular drawings are made. And we had learned how to calculate interest on drawings by two simple methods. First method was direct, that is under which we had calculated interest on drawings for every drawing, and in the second method we had calculated by the product method. Now please understand, when we had calculated through the product method, we had taken total product into rate of interest on drawings into 1 by 12 if we are calculating the period or the time in terms of maths, in terms of months, and we will take the duration of 1 by 365 if we take the period in terms of the days. And also the difference lies, instead of total drawings we will take here aggregate of the product or the total product. There is one other way by which we can calculate interest on drawings, but that is only applicable when the drawings are made regularly every month, or we can say that calculation of interest on drawings in case when drawings are made regularly every month. Now what that way is there, that instead of calculation of the total product, the duration we will take a lump sum period, and that lump sum period depends on which date the drawings were made by the partners. There may be the first three situations when the drawings are made in terms of the monthly basis, that the partner may withdraw at the first day of every month, may withdraw on the last day of every month, or sometimes during or mid of the month, or sometimes the date is not given. Now when such type of the things are there, how we will calculate interest on drawings? See, the formula direct say, when drawings of equal amounts are made on the first day of every month, interest would be calculated on total amount of drawings. Please understand, here we will take the total amount of drawings that is throughout the year made by the partner, and the duration will be 6.5 months. That means 13 by 2 into 1 by 12. We convert these months into years. So 13 by 2 into 1 by 12. So the duration which we will take, that will be 6.5 months, provided that the drawings were made of equal amount on the first day of the every month. Now likewise, if the drawings are made on the last day of every month of again equal amount, the formula will remain same, but the duration will change, that here instead of 6.5 months, the duration will be 5.5 months. So we will convert this 5.5 months as 11 by 2 into 1 by 12, because the months they are converted into year. And why we convert these months into year? Because rate of interest which is given, that is per annum or per year. But if the drawings are made of equal amount in the middle of every month, or during the month, or when date is not given, interest will be calculated for a duration of 6 months. So dear students, you keep in mind that three simple important formulas in mind, that if the drawings are made at the beginning of every month, time period will be 6.5 months. If the drawings are made at the end of every month, duration will be 5.5 months. If no date is given, or if the drawings are made during or middle of every month, the duration will be of 6 months. But keep in mind that this formula will apply only when equal amounts are made and that is regularly withdrawn every month. In case if there is irregular amount or irregular interval, this formula cannot be applied. The product method is universal and you can apply that in every case. Likewise, the interest on drawings may also be calculated on the basis of quarter. On the basis of quarter. Quarter here means that at the interval of 3 months. A year has always 4 quarters, and in that case, what the duration will be here? Please note down that the shortcut formula for calculation of interest on drawings, as we had applied with reference to the month, we can also apply with reference to the quarter. Once again, understand what we mean by the quarter here again. Quarter means that every year contains the 4 quarters. That means after every 3 months there is 1 quarter, and in that case the duration will also be different. What would be the duration? That I will share with you. That if the drawings are made at the beginning of every quarter, beginning means at the start of every quarter, duration will be taken of 7.5 months. If the drawings are made during the quarter or no date is given, the interest will be calculated for 6 months. Likewise, if the drawings are made at the end of every quarter, interest on drawings will be calculated for 4.5 months. Please understand again and keep in mind this formula also in mind, that with reference to the drawings which are made in terms of the quarter, and as I told you, every year has the 4 quarters, and in that reference, what should be the duration? If the drawings are made at the beginning of every quarter, duration will be of 7.5 months. If the drawings are made during the quarter or no date is given, interest will be calculated for 6 months. And if the drawings are made at the end of every quarter, the duration will be taken as 4.5 months. So just keep in mind, again with reference to the quarter, formula will apply only when you would have the regular quarterly drawings. If there is irregular, it could not be applied. Let's understand with the help of this very good example, numerical problem from exercise. Question number 26a. Gopal is a partner in a firm. He withdrew rupees 1,000 per month regularly on the first day of every month. If interest on drawing is charged at the rate of 15% per annum, calculate the interest on drawings of Gopal. Note down how much amount he is withdrawing, rupees 1,000 per month. So here the total amount of drawings, forget about the product, total amount of drawings will be of 12,000. Again, on which date he is withdrawing? He is withdrawing regularly on the first day of every month. When he is withdrawing? Regularly on the first day of every month. What is the rate of interest on drawing? That is 15% per annum. So here we will calculate interest on drawing here. Total amount of drawings 12,000 multiplied by rate of interest, that is 15 by 100, and duration will be of 6.5 months. And 6.5 months will be written as 13 by 2 into 1 by 12, or as it is 6.5 divided by 12. When you calculate, you would find rupees 975 as interest on drawings. Now let's understand further that how we have to calculate again with the other example. X draws rupees 4,000 from the firm at the beginning of every month. Y draws 4,000 from the firm at the end of every month. Z draws rupees 4,000 from the firm in the middle of every month. Again, the total drawings are of 48,000 of all these three partners, but duration will be different from calculation point of view. Interest on drawing is 9% per annum. For X, duration will be again 6.5 months because he withdrawing on first day of every month, in the beginning of every month. For Y, duration will be of 5.5 months, that is 5.5 months, because Y is withdrawing at the end of every month. For Z, duration will be of 6 months because Z draws rupees 4,000 from the firm in the middle of every month. Middle of every month means during the month or mid of the month. So the duration will be of 6 months. So this way we will calculate interest on drawings in case when the drawings are made on monthly basis, and we can directly calculate accordingly. Now we will discuss one more question, very simple. Calculate interest on drawings of Mr. Aditya at the rate of 8% per annum for the year in each of the different alternative cases. Case 1, if he withdrew 5,000 in the beginning of each quarter, that means total amount of drawings will be 20,000. Then the duration will be how much? I told you that is 7.5 months because he is withdrawing in the beginning of each quarter. This is formula. When the drawings are made at the beginning of each quarter, duration will be of 7.5 months. So here you would calculate in the first case total drawings 20,000. Rate of interest on drawing 8% per annum, 8 by 100 into 7.5 divided by 12, or 15 by 2 into 1 by 12. We convert these months into years. Then for in the second case 6,000, 6 into 4, 24,000. At the end of each quarter, duration will be of 4.5 months. We will take it. So this way we will calculate. In the third case, if he withdraw 10,000 during the middle of each quarter, 10,000 means total drawings 40,000 for 4 quarters. Then rate of drawings interest is 8%. Duration will be taken 6 months because during the middle of each quarter. So it amounts to rupees 1,600. So we had learned that how we will calculate interest in case of the monthly drawings as well as interest in case of the quarterly drawings. I request you please practice question number 28 also, because it is very important question. Calculate interest on drawings of Shri Ganesh at 9% per annum. He withdraws 4,000 per month in the beginning of every month. Total drawings 48,000. In the beginning of every month, duration will be 6.5 months. If we withdrew 5,000 per month at the end of every month, total drawing 60,000, duration will be of 5.5 months. If we withdrew rupees 6,000 per month, total drawing 72,000, no duration or no time is given, duration will be taken 6 months or half year. If we withdrew 72,000 during the year, again same, 72,000, time period is not given, it is calculated for 6 months. If we withdrew as follows, here you have to find out for case 5 by the product method, because uneven amount is there and uneven dates is there. So you could not apply the formula of the monthly drawing or quarterly drawing. You will calculate by the product method, and under product method how you have to calculate? From the date of each drawing till to the closure of the year. First drawing was made on 30th April, year is closing on 31st March. So there will be 11 months for this. From 1st July to 31st March, 9 months likewise. For case 6, if we withdraw 12,000 in the beginning of each quarter, duration will be 7.5 months. Amount will be 1,44,000. 12,000 into 4, 48,000. Per quarter is there, 12,000 per quarter, 4 quarters, 48,000. If we withdrew 18,000 at the end of each quarter, 72,000 amount here. And at the end of each quarter, duration will be of 4.5 months. Case 7, if you withdrew 18,000 during the middle of each quarter, amount of drawings will be 72,000, and during the middle of each quarter again, duration will be of 6 months. So this way we had learned how to calculate interest on drawings by the different ways, in case when the uneven amount is there, in case when the regular withdrawn is there, in case when there is monthly drawings, and in case when there are quarterly drawings. I would continue with the next part in my next video.